Today, I was contacted by a local in the village to take on a quest to find the secret river. The river is hidden deep within the mountains, and the only transport to the river is on foot. We have been walking now for over 1 hour. We must make it to the river and back before dawn. In order to reduce our traveling time, the leader of the group decides to take a shorter route. Less than 15 minutes on the dangerous shortcut, and I'm already exhausted. But yet, the journey must continue.
Car brakes and car oil brakes. Now if you run in a bush, I want to feel say. Woo! Yeah. Woo.
Despite the continuous running, we still have a lot more grounds to cover before reaching the river.
Woo. Yeah.
I'm starting to already feel exhausted and tired. But the journey must still continue.